Today I received the package I was waiting for 2 weeks. It's my iPhone X, my brand new iPhone X. I sold my old iPhone friend, so I can purchase this one. So it's gonna be early Christmas for me. My birthday's next month, so okay. You know what it is? It's a Bible. I'm gonna mix something up, but I see the box of my brand new. Gonna take a moment. Okay, let's see. Maybe some of the box. This is my walkie-talkie X.
Guys, this is my first YouTube video. I showed you the iPhone 6. It comes with a case. I'm pretty excited. I will open it up to show you guys, and I will let you know what I think about this device. I will show you iPhone 6 today, and I will get iPhone X next week. Let's do it. I will try to go slowly for you to enjoy with me. It seems a little bit lighter than I thought. Oh. What is this? It seems like a USB.
I've just received my brand new Apple iPhone 11. Now, Apple released their iPhone 11 on the 11th of September. And they're currently going for about $700, and that's the basic model. But I found a really well-priced one on a cool website for less than half of that. So I think I've got myself a real bargain here. I can't wait to use the new Liquid Retina HD display on the 6.1-inch LCD screen. Apparently Apple says that this is the toughest glass ever in a smartphone, and it has improved water resistance. I can't wait to start enjoying those features. The other feature that I'm really looking forward to is trying the dual lens camera with its ultra wide angle camera with 120 degrees of field view. I've ordered the 256 gigs of memory, so I'm going to be able to be watching some serious series on this phone. The moment has come for the grand unboxing. So here we go, let's get the tape off. I say looks like another box. Just about there. There we go. There's a punch and a labeling machine. Maybe there's something in here. Oh, what the hell? There's another box in here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is looking good. There's an iPhone box, but this doesn't look new, that's for sure. What do you think? This looks like a very old iPhone. It's definitely seen better days. There's no dual camera in this one.
I have the brand new iPhone 11 with its beautiful triple cameras. I bought it on a Alibaba type site, however it seemed to have lots of certifications and I was told that it's all real Apple. Anyway, yeah, so I was told immediately don't be afraid of the packaging, that apparently there's going to be a unique type of packaging, I think that is what they called it, that it's not the official Apple. This is not sealed and is definitely a very strange box. I'm guessing that's the phone inside.
I have been wanting for a long time an iPad Air 2 of my own for a while. And I finally got it. My husband got it for me. So yay. So I wanted to share with you guys, look how pretty the box is. Basically, it's a 64 gig. It's a bit of an upgrade from my old iPad. It's very lightweight, so I love that. So here we go. Let me What in the... Okay, there's peanut butter. Somebody's... What the heck? Okay, somebody's playing a trick on me because... What the heck? This is peanut butter. There's nothing inside of this box. Like,
We got an awesome product. I'm talking the brand new iPhone 11. This is Apple's latest phone, latest technology. This thing is packed with so many new features, and I can't wait to get my hands on this device. Get that tape off. Woo! Let's pop it open, hear that pop. Woo! I love that sound. Every time I pop that box open, baby, you know it gets real when I unbox. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Whoever put this wired phone in my iPhone box, is this the iPhone 11? I don't see a camera on this thing. That's a long cord, my friend. Okay, it's wired. I mean, this is 2019. We don't use wires anymore, people. Come on.
Here is, just got it, it's the USB cable. This one's 5 foot long, which is great, because usually they're only like about 3 feet long. Very cool. This is what's in most of the newer. Very excited to have something that's a little bit longer. It's not going to get in the way. Yeah, nice tied up. Good, look at this. Nice long cable, very good. And that is so good. Oh shit. Oops, I pulled it too hard. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at that.
Today I just bought the new iPhone 11. I really love Apple products, whatever. So, before we open the phone, I just saw videos about the difference between iPhone, Samsung. I am the only one who I love it into iPhone, especially for the camera and the design and the system. So, as you can see, the package is really nice. It's black, also I love it. I bought the black one because I really love this color. So let's get started. Guess what I found? The box was opened and I found an iPhone 4. iPhone 4 who don't even work.
And today we have another unboxing video for you. We have the iPhone, but I am suspicious already off the bat because the box and what it says in the back is iPhone 7. Maybe they just printed the words wrong because we do have that legit Apple logo. Designed by Apple in California. A warranty sheet. A charging plug. Yo, there's no iPhone. Where the fuck is the phone?